For that, we have to look at the old Doppler radar. And see, there's still a few snow showers across the foothills and up in the mountains around the west central part of the state. But here in the Treasure Valley, what we saw was pretty much what we're going to get. There may still be a couple of little straggler showers left behind, but this is a beautiful time lapse. I love this, guys. Watch this as I put this into motion. The sun was rising this morning. Yeah, we had some clouds around the Treasure Valley, and then right as the afternoon started kicking in, that's when this cold front moved in. That is the line of snow showers that was working its way right across the Treasure Valley, and it just socked in Bogus Basin, generating additional snow. Granted, only 1 or 2 inches of additional snow expected with this system up in the mountains, but that's about it. That's what it was supposed to do, and it's going to quickly move out of the area. So there's the shower activity that affected us earlier today, moving off into the Magic Valley. Here's what's happening right now across the west central foothills. So here's the weather headlines. I got some exciting stuff on the way. First of all, it's going to be dry tomorrow through Friday in the Treasure Valley. Mountains may still see some occasional little showers. Then increasing clouds on Saturday. Then what I'm seeing right now is it will probably start out as valley rain and then should change over to snow here in the Treasure Valley sometime during the day on Sunday as this next front comes in, and it will generate significant snow for the mountains, and then more storms are off on the horizon that the computer models are saying, yep, they're going to be swinging in across the northwestern corner of the country, likely to impact the state of Idaho going into next week. So right now on the satellite imagery, this is the very weak little system that moved on through today. Still a few little straggling showers. We'll say a few mountain showers are possible tomorrow, but here in the Treasure Valley itself, it's going to be mostly dry tomorrow with a mixture of sunshine and occasional clouds. Then after that, high pressure just kind of builds in along the west coast. As this high pressure builds in, it will keep us dry through Saturday. What we're going to be looking forward to is this feature that's going to be developing up here in the Gulf of Alaska. It's going to be packing cold air. It's going to have moisture. It's going to have a nice area of low pressure, good support from the jet stream. So we'll call it a cold storm brewing on Saturday in the Gulf of Alaska. And then the models are saying that storm is what's going to be dropping down into the Gem State and affect much of the northwestern corner of the country on Sunday. We're talking significant mountain snow with at least a rain-snow mix for us here in the Treasure Valley, but where we want to see it is up in the mountains. That's where it really counts. And it looks like some of the models are indicating, hey, you know what? We could end up seeing about a foot of snow up in our local ski resorts, if not just a little bit more. We'll have to see how it plays out. Still 4 days out, but it's looking very optimistic based on what I'm seeing right now. Much of the Treasure Valley will see temperature readings tomorrow near 40 degrees with the overnight lows dropping down into the 20s. Might see a little patchy fog in the morning. Otherwise, we're keeping it dry through Saturday. Here comes the storm on Sunday, and then additional storms expected towards the latter part of next week. The mountains will be seeing a few flurries tomorrow, snow late Saturday, snow on Sunday, some snow showers on Monday. But it's not just that it's going to snow, guys. It's what the models are showing, the intensity of this storm. The dynamics appear to be there. And that's what we have been lacking with these other storms that we have seen, is the dynamics. But this is the first storm that shows good dynamics.
Good dynamics.
Good dynamics. It's a dynamic storm. Okay, let's take a look at traffic.